So you want the laziest way to make money online? I've gone out and found the most laziest way that I could possibly find, and you can do this while playing video game. And you can also do this without video games involved, and I'll explain to you exactly what I mean in this video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to make money online the most laziest possible way that I can find. There's no lazier way than this. This is super lazy. So let's jump into this and I'll show you how to make money online right now. And I'll take you through everything step by step. All right, guys, so I wanna show you how you can make money online by doing gaming. And you don't actually need to do gaming if you don't want to. And I'll explain to you what I mean in a second. Now let's talk about gaming real quick before we get into actually making the money. So usually if you want to make money online with gaming, you would have to stream, or you would have to go ahead and do like gaming tutorials or just like general gaming videos talking about gaming and stuff like that. So those are the main ways that you would make money online with gaming. But what if I told you there was a different way where you don't actually need to do that, and you don't even need to actually do gaming to make money with this at all if you don't want to? So let me explain to you what I mean. So there's these channels at the moment that have come up. If we go, I think one of them is called BizPath here. These specific channels, and you're going to know what I mean in a second. If we click on these specific channels right here, you'll see that what they do is we take this one here. What they do is they give life advice, all sorts of different advice. And what they do is they do it over gameplay footage. Now, this is one of them. And here's one, and I want to show you one that I did as well. And here's one down here that started 5 months ago. This one started 5 months ago, and they already have 44,000 subscribers. Now, here is another one. Here is one that I started, and it got 2,500 views doing the same thing, where I just talk over some Battlefield content. Now, I tested this out, and this video got to 2,000 views. Some of my other videos didn't, but I tested this out to see if this would actually work, so you guys can go and try this yourself. I don't actually need the money, so I'm not doing this type of stuff for the money. I'm just doing it to test it out and see if it actually works, and it did. This video in particular got 2,500 views. Now, I actually started this channel on the exact same month this guy started his one. I went overseas, I didn't have time, and it wasn't a priority for me. But if I had have stuck to it, I would have potentially got to around about the same subscribers as him and the same amount of views. So what I'm trying to say is if you actually are consistent, you can make money with this. So how do you get started? You can also use AI voices if you want. The first thing you want to do is take a snapshot of this channel here, for example. Just take a snapshot. And then what you want to do is you want to go and upload it into ChatGPT. Actually, we'll do the most popular videos. Take a snapshot of the most popular videos right here, and then we're going to upload that into ChatGPT, and we're going to do this. We're going to say, give me 50 video topic ideas based on these topics, okay? And this is just a very basic prompt, so you might want to do something a little bit better than this. But what we're doing is we're asking ChatGPT to give us some video ideas, okay? And you can go through here. You've got all of these types of video ideas. Now, I'm not going to go down and check all of them because some of these might not be the best for YouTube because they don't allow some stuff. But this is the first step that you want to do. The second step is you need to get some content as a background. So these guys do Call of Duty. I do Battlefield. You could do other video games. You could do something that's not a video game. You could take like a video of a lake flowing or a mountain. Like, I don't know. That doesn't matter as long as you just have content. And then you want to have the title. Then you want to start talking. So these guys are giving out advice. But more importantly, is you can actually use AI voices as well. So if we go to YouTube, so if we go to Google right here and we put an AI voice, we can actually go free text to audio, and we can do something like this, and we could tell ChatGPT if we wanted to give us some life advice as well if you don't want to use your own voice. And we could actually go ahead and we could ask ChatGPT to give us a video script. Now I'm going off track here because the most important thing is to be authentic because this is how you're going to get popular. But that's just an idea. You could use AI voice if you don't want to use your own voice and you don't want to use your own face. All right, guys, sorry, I didn't realize my camera was off, and excuse the mess in the back. I'm just setting up some simulator rigs right now. So what we want to do is, number one, we want to get some content, okay? And we can get any type of content. We can get any type of content, right? It can be gaming, it could be fishing content, it could be any content. It doesn't really matter. You just need something in the background that people can watch. Once you have the content, two, we need to do the topics. And like I said, we just used ChatGPT to do that for us. So we got the topics based off these channels. Now, keep in mind, there are lots of channels like this, so you're never going to run out of ideas. You're always going to be able to get ideas. Now, you don't necessarily have to do this in the finance space. The only reason why you'd want to do that is because that's where the most money is made. However, you could do it in like, let's say you're a fisherman, you could talk about your fishing stories or something. I don't really know. The next thing, number three, is once we have the topics and the content, we now want to record our voice over the content. So you don't need to actually have the content up. All I did was I had my headset on, my gaming headset. I wasn't playing the game or anything. I just talked through my headset, told my story, sitting in my room, and then I put that over the video. So once you've recorded the voice, whether it be you or AI, or both if you like, you can take your voice and use it into AI. The next thing is we need to edit that video, okay? There are free editors online that you can use. One of them I think is called One Shot, and we've actually talked about that in my videos before. So there are video editors that you can use for free. Now, once you've edited that video, what I would highly recommend you do, number 5, is you obviously need to do thumbnails. Now, they are going to be very, very easy to do, because if you actually look at some of these guys' thumbnails, it's just a snapshot of the game with text. Very easy to do. You can use Canva or anything like that. But the next step, which is I thought was number 5 and number 6, is the description of the video. And tags. People think tags are relevant, but they're not irrelevant. Description and tags are very important. That's how you're going to get traffic, because you're telling YouTube what the video is about. And they can also track what you say in there now. Just click on one of these videos, see what type of descriptions they do, see what type of tags they use, if they use some, because sometimes they don't. But that is very important. And then number 7, you repeat this on more videos. So what I would do is I would do 20 videos in a day. That's what I did, or 10 videos or 5 videos. Most of these channels are not posting very often, like once every 3 days, this guy here. Some of them are once a week. Try to do once every 2 days to get traction. So that's what I would be doing. Very, very simple to do. All right, guys, so I just want to show you a simple way that you can make money online. And more importantly, I wanted to show you these channels so you can see if this is something you would like to do. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. I'll see you in the next video, but go check this out. See if this is something that you would like to do to make money online.